little bunny Easter basket is perfect for tiny Easter treats. It's simple to make and uses just a few basic supplies, so let me show you how to make it. For this project, you'll need a plastic lid, glue, thick yarn, scissors, 2 pipe cleaners, a scrap of pink felt, black string or floss, and googly eyes. We'll start with the bunny's ears. Hold the end of the yarn against the end of a pipe cleaner, leaving about a 1-inch tail. Wrap the yarn around itself a few times just to hold everything in place, and then twist the yarn up the pipe cleaner. Hold it between your pointer finger and your thumb and twist around, making sure that you have good coverage. Leave about 1 inch of the pipe cleaner unwrapped at the end. Cut the floss off, leaving a couple of inches, and then tie a knot around the end of the pipe cleaner. Fold the pipe cleaner into a loop to make a bunny ear. Twist the 2 ends together 3 or 4 times so everything stays in place. This is going to look messy right now, that's okay. Now trim off all of the extra fluff at the end. Do the same thing for the other pipe cleaner. Spread glue all around about half of your plastic lid. Make sure to get all the way down to the bottom. Starting from the bottom up, wrap the yarn around the lid. Go slowly and carefully and make sure that each wrap of the yarn is pressed up close against the previous wrap. Put a little extra glue on the starting point just to make sure that that doesn't fray. Now spread glue on the rest of the lid and put a lot extra at the back. This is where we are going to attach the ears. So press the ears about 1 inch down onto the lid. We're going to be holding those in place with the coils of the yarn. Continue wrapping the yarn, going right over the ends of those ears to keep them in place. You want the very last coil of yarn to cover up the edge of that lid, so put a little bit of glue right on the edge and bring the yarn around into position. At the back of the lid, cut the yarn so that it will end between the bunny ears. Add a little bit of extra glue and then tuck the end down in between the ears. Cut a triangle shape from the pink felt to make the nose. And then cut 3 pieces of black string or floss to make the whiskers. You can determine the length by putting the nose down on top and then cutting it a little longer than you think you might need. Again, cut 3 pieces. Lay the whiskers out so that they're spread out. Put some glue on the nose and then put the whiskers in place with the middle right in the middle of that glue. Put a little extra glue positioned just halfway down the lid and then stick the nose and whiskers in place. Trim the ends of the whiskers. The last step is to glue on the googly eyes. Once everything is completely dry, your bunny basket is finished and ready to fill. Please subscribe to my channel so I can keep bringing you new crafts every